Welcome to Key Stage 3 Science. We're looking at poisoned food chains. So let's have a read of this together. So farmers often spray their crops with pesticides to kill pests, such as insects and weeds. Pesticides may stay in the environment or our surrounding area for a long time and poison animals higher up in the food chain. So pesticides can also be washed into streams and ponds. The diagram below shows how pesticides can build up along food chains. So for example, let's start from the bottom here, bottom up. So a farmer sprays his crop with pesticides. Pesticides are chemicals to kill pests so that they do not destroy or harm our food or our crops when we actually turn them into food. So a farmer sprays his crop with pesticide. One caterpillar eats many leaves and takes in the pesticide, which then means that one small bird eats many caterpillars and one hawk eats many small birds. So can you see how that particular poison affects our food chain? And that could mean that the caterpillar, the small bird, and the hawk will be affected by eating those pesticides, which could ultimately kill them and then have a long-term effect on our overall bigger food chain. In the pesticide, if the pesticide is passed on from caterpillars into small birds and then into the hawk, we can see how it would quickly build up in the hawk's body. Scientists are now trying to make pesticides that only affect the pest and break down a short time after they have been used. So they are also trying to find other ways of controlling pests by using their natural enemies. This is called biological control. The whole point that farmers use pesticides is because we want to make sure that our crops, our food that the farmers grow for us are long lasting. And by the time they get to the supermarkets and on our plates, they're fresh and they're natural and they're not being eaten by other pests. And that's the reason why we use pesticides. However, the damaging effects of pesticides are that they could have a long-term effect on wildlife around us. But the scientists are working on this and they have come up with some solutions in terms of pesticides. But this is what you need to know for the time being in terms of poisoning our food chain. Good luck with answering the rest of these questions and we'll follow these up in our next class. Thank you.